percentage. It is used for confirmation. Example, the positive statement is about idiom. An idiom is an expression. Timeless example, every day, already, tomorrow.
Into the bond become a friend. One day Tortoise asked
For thinking about me, but I can't. No thanks. Thank you for giving this opportunity. School is called church. In church or temple is informal. It is to use with our younger ones. Good morning to everyone. My name is Pratibha. I am studying 6th class. Today my topic meaning. The idioms are he spilled the beans, he revealed the secret. Active voice and passive voice. Active voice tells us definition and action words is